Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The people of Delta State say Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori is and remains their choice as governor of the oil-rich state, noting that the successes recorded since he assumed office in May 29, 2023 are nothing short of impressive. They say the governor's rare dedication to continuity in project completion from the immediate past administration in the state and the initiation of new legacy projects within the last few months demonstrates his resolve to outperform previous governments in the state.
It is a known fact that in just about 7 months in office as the executive governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori has had an indelible mark in every corner and sector of the state, leading to a rapid infrastructure renewal, improved welfare of public servants, healthcare delivery, as well as other policies and programs focused on improving the lots of citizens and residents in the state. Some Deltans who spoke to Inside the Niger Delta extolled the governor for the unprecedented award of the construction of 3 flyover bridges and road expansion project around the Warri axis of the state to Julius Berger Nigerian PLC.
This project is a giant one for the first time for many years that we're getting this, and this will bring a big development to Warri and environ.
Because Julius Berger Road now standby, the project they last, they scatter.
While some communities across the oil-rich state as well as critical sectors of government have been calling for urgent attention for years without any success, the story is different today, as these concerns have been attended to by the incumbent administration.
A Warri boy has been born into the government house for the first time in the history of creation of Delta State. So what we are seeing today is the celebration of project from Sheriff Oborevwori.
Before now, it has been very bad. Let's be sincere to ourselves. The presence of government have not really been felt in this community. Majority of the projects we have in this community are all been community development, self-help.
Deltans also held that the governor's commitment to completing all projects inherited from previous administration, such as the network of roads in Ogunu community in Warri South local government area of the state, among several others, is a demonstration of his resolve to outperform his predecessors.
In our system, where if one government goes, another one comes, we abandon projects. That's why we have a lot of abandoned projects all over the state. But this is a governor that has come to say every project must be completed. And we are very grateful to him that he's completing this project.
Student leaders in the state have also acknowledged the contributions of the administration to the development of the young population through its investment in education and youth development programs, which include the 25% reduction in acceptance fee paid by students in all state-owned universities.
It is also an initiative which the governor has created to make them see the need to be educated, to make them know that he as a governor is interested in their growth and development. Because for a nation to grow, there is a need for we to have graduates in the state, which will drive development and bring more understanding and creativity within the state.
Delta is a major oil-producing state in the Niger Delta region of Nigeria that, just as any other, has had its fair share of underdevelopment issues, with successive governments doing little in salvaging the struggles of the masses. However, the Oborevwori-led administration in just a few months has demonstrated its will to turn a new leaf from the ugly trend and give the state and its inhabitants a new lease of life.
May God bless Sheriff for us, in Jesus' name.
Governor, thank you very much. God bless you.
Inside the Niger Delta.